All right, and now I'm going to share my screen. Maybe. All right, here we go. Can everybody see the cartoon, Mrs. Sloan? All right. So, for our lesson today, if you have a question or a comment, just give me a thumbs up, or you can raise your hand and like wave it around so I see you, and then I'll unmute you, okay? Phoebe, do you have a question?
Yeah. I wonder who's gonna like join us.
Yeah, I know. We'll see, because usually we have more people than this. So hopefully some more people get on. All right. So we'll go ahead and get started, though. So we're going to start with counting. So here we have our 100s chart. Well, actually, this is a 120s chart because it goes all the way from 1 up to 120. So our directions say, let's count by ones. We will start at 35 and count up to 64. So we're starting on the number 35, and we're going to count up, which means we're going this direction to the right, up to the number 64. So we'll stop right here. So let's count together. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. We're stopping on 64. Yes, Genesis?
I'm tired saying numbers.
Well, this is what we do every single day, Genesis, so you'll have to get used to it because we do it every day before we start math. All right. Our number of the day is, who can tell me what our number of the day is? Phoebe? You're still muted, Phoebe. Can you unmute yourself?
Yeah.
There we go. What's our number of the day?
The 17th.
17, very good. What's one less than 17? Should we look at let's look at our chart real quick. So here's our number of the day, the number 17. What's one less? Oh, sorry, you muted again. Here you go, sweetie.
Me.
Sorry about that. What's one less than 17?
One less. 16.
Very good. And what's one more?
18.
Very good. So one less is 16 and one more is 18. Very good. Thank you, Phoebe. And who can help me with 10 more or 10 less than the number 17? Let's see. I saw Genesis, his hand popped up pretty quick. Genesis, you can unmute yourself. There we go. What's 10 less than 17? Let's look at our, oops.
7.
Very good. So 10 less, we go up and it's 7. What's 10 more?
27.
27. Awesome. Thank you, Genesis. So 10 less, oops, 10 less was 7 and 10 more was 27. Thank you, Genesis. And who can tell me, is 17 even or odd? Isaiah, can you help me out with this one? Is the number 17, is it even or odd? Oh, can you unmute yourself? There we go. So let's look at the number 17. We can just look at the 7 and the 17. Is that even or odd?
I don't know.
Can we cut 7 in half into 2 equal numbers?
Maybe.
Is 7, let's see. So here's 17. And remember, our even numbers, we can cut them in half. So our even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So all of the numbers that are in this column, all of the numbers in this column that end with a 4, all of the numbers that end with a 6, all of the numbers that end with an 8, and all of the numbers that end with a 0 are all even. All the other numbers, so 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are all odd. So as 17 ends with a 7, is that even or odd?
Odd.
Odd, very good, because it goes into the column with all of the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are even. So what did you say it was, Isaiah, even or odd?
Odd.
Odd, very good. Thank you, Isaiah. If it's odd, can we cut it in half into 2 equal parts?
No.
No, so we can't make a number bond. So we're going to skip over this.
Yeah, we can't divide it.
Yeah, we can't divide it into 2 equal parts. All right, thank you, Isaiah. Oh, hello. Let's see who joined us. Is that you, Lisa? Hello. All right. We are going to make 17 cents. But before we make 17 cents, we are going to do our number chant. So I'm going to unmute everybody so we can do it all together.
I can't see it.
Oh, can you all see the coins?
Yes.
You can see the coins? Okay, so the chant isn't on here. We're just going to say the chant from our memory. So who wants to start it off? Oh, here, let me unmute everybody again so you can all do it with me. Unmute. There you go. You can unmute yourselves.
Wait, why?
Because we're going to say the chant all together. Who wants to lead us in the chant? Anybody?
I don't remember it.
Does anyone else remember it? It's okay if you don't.
No, the chant.
No? Okay. Then I'll lead it. So you follow along.
Listen.
Ready, set, go. Pennies,
Nickel, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels,
Nickels,
dimes,
and quarters. Well, a penny is 1, and a nickel is 5. A dime is worth 10, and a quarter is 25. Pennies, nickels,
dimes,
and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Very good. Hello, Sebastian. I see you just joined us too. Thank you for joining us.
I think you should change.
It's long?
Yes. Yes.
I actually let my bird go. I actually took out my pro bird. He go away, and he fried away, and we can't look for him.
Did he come back? Or are you still looking for him?
Yeah, we're still looking for him.
Oh my goodness. Hopefully he'll come back soon. But you still have Grinch, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna put everybody on mute again.
What?
All right. So now that we did our chant, we're going to make 17 cents using our pennies, nickels, dimes. Well, we can't use a quarter yet because we're only making 17 cents and a quarter is 25 cents. But how many pennies would we need to make 17 cents? Isaiah?
Um, 17 pennies.
Very good. And how many cents is a penny worth?
1 cent.
1 cent. Very good. So we would need 17 pennies. Thank you, Isaiah. How many nickels and pennies would we need to make 17 cents? Who can help me with this one? Sebastian? How much is a nickel worth?
10.
Close. A dime is worth 10. So how much is a nickel worth?
10. Wait, not 5.
5. Very good. A nickel is worth 5. So how many cents do I have right here? Sebastian, you can stay muted. There we go. How many cents do I have right here, Sebastian? This is a nickel. I only have 1 nickel. So how many cents is this?
5.
5. Very good. I'm going to add another nickel. Now I have 2 nickels. So I have 5 cents plus 5 cents. So 5, 10. How many cents do I have? So we can count up. We know this is worth 5 and we know this is worth 5. So let's count up by 5, Sebastian.
10.
5, 10. How many cents do I have?
10.
10. Okay. So I'm trying to get to 17 though. So let's add 1 more nickel and see what happens. So now I have 5 cents plus 5 cents plus 5 cents. So let's count up by 5s and see how much we have, Sebastian. 5, 10, 15. How many cents do I have?
15.
15, but I'm trying to get to 17. So how many pennies would I need to add? See if someone can help you, Sebastian. Okay, I think Genesis is holding up the number of pennies. Genesis, how many pennies would we need to add?
2.
2, very good. And can you help me count this, Genesis, and see, make sure we have the right amount? Okay. 5, 10,
10,
15,
15,
16,
17,
17. And how many cents were we trying to make?
17.
17. Awesome job. Thank you, Genesis, and thank you, Sebastian. Phoebe, can you help me make 17 cents using a dime, a nickel, and some pennies?
What?
Can you help me make 17 cents using a dime, a nickel, and some pennies?
Okay.
How much is a dime worth?
Okay. 10.
10, very good. So how many cents do I have right now?
10.
Okay, so I'm gonna add a nickel. So now how many cents do I have? How much is a nickel worth?
5.
5. Okay, so I have 10 cents plus 5 cents. So how many cents do I have altogether?
15.
15, but I want to get to 17. So how many pennies would I need to add?
2.
2 pennies. So let's count and make sure we have the right amount. So we have 10 plus 5 was
15.
15 plus 2. So 15, 16, 17. Very good. Thank you, Phoebe.
You're welcome.
All right.
I'm gonna mute myself.
All right. Thank you. Okay. Now we're going to do a quick stretch break. So we are going to do 8 jumping jacks. So if you want to stand up and do this with me, you can stand up. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. All right. And now we're going to do 5 toe touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then last but not least, we are going to do 4 big breaths. So imagine that you're blowing up a balloon. So you got to take a deep breath out and then bring it back in. And we're going to do it 4 times. So close your eyes and take a deep breath out. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And that's 4. Nice job, everybody. All right. Now we're going to get into our lesson. Oh, hello, Jesus. Thank you for joining us. Hi. So, oh, Genesis, I see your hands up.
I did a B sound.
You did? Okay, nice job. Thank you, Genesis. Right. So our objective or our goal for this lesson is I will be able to identify 1 more and 1 less than any number by using our number chart. So that's what our goal is to learn by the end of this lesson. So before we get to that, let's do some quick warm-ups. Can somebody help me tell what time it is? It's not 10 o'clock. I forgot to erase this. But who can help me figure out what time it is on our clock? Jesus?
Okay, there you go. Remember where the big hand is and the small hand?
11.
No, the big hand is on the 12 and the little one is on the 2. So
What does the long hand tell us, Jesus? Does it tell us the hour or the minute? Do you remember?
Minutes.
The long hand tells us the minute. Very good. And what about the short hand?
The hours.
The hour. Very good. So what hour is it right now?
she's talking to you.
Huh?
What is the hour? What hand is the little, or what number is the little hand pointing at?
2.
2. Very good. So we know that the hour right now is on the 2. And what about the minute? What is the long hand for the minute pointing at?
12, so it's
12.
2 o'clock.
So when it's on the 12, that means our minute is at 0. So what time is it?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Very good. Let me just make that a little bigger so everybody can see it. 2 o'clock. Very good. Thank you, Jesus. Next, we're all going to complete our doubles facts. So I'll unmute you 1 at a time so you can help me out with this, okay? Sebastian, what's 1 plus 1? Sebastian, what's 1 plus 1?
2.
2. Very good. Thank you, Sebastian. Genesis, what's 0 plus 0?
I want to watch the doubles rap.
The doubles rap. Who all wants to listen to the doubles raps? Everybody? Okay, we'll listen to it real quick and then we'll do this. So let me open it up real quick.
And I want to see the picture too.
You want to see? Okay, let me see if I can get the picture up too. Okay, hold on. I got to pull it up and then I'll show you all. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen again. Hello, Sophia.
Hello.
All right, so let's make sure we're all on mute so we can hear it. I'm going to share my screen. Share computer sound. Can everybody hear it?
It's the doubles,
And you can
baby.
sing
Here we
along.
go. Here we go. It's the doubles, baby. You can start with 0. It's the doubles, baby. Here we go. Here we go. It's the doubles, baby. You can start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh! 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6. 4 plus Let's make 8 plus 8 equals 16. Now I mean 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20. That is 30. It's the doubles, baby. Here we go. It's the doubles, baby. You can start with 0.
Nice job. Oh, let me cancel it before you see Miss Sloan teaching another lesson there. All right. I'm going to stop sharing my screen and I'm going to go back to our lesson. And now we are going to finish our doubles facts. So Genesis, what is 0 plus 0?
Why is there a video about you?
Because I recorded some videos that you may have seen if you were watching the lessons for the packets. What's 0 plus 0, Genesis?
0.
0. Oh, thank you, Genesis. Skylet, what's 3 plus 3?
Plus 3 plus 3. She's talking to you already.
Oh, 3 plus 3.
Put 3 plus 3 up. You count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Nice job, Skylet. Thank you. Isaiah, what's 9 plus 9? Can you unmute it? All right, I'm gonna let you figure out the. There we go. Okay, what's 9 plus 9?
18.
18. Very good. 9 plus 9 is 18. Let's lean. And thank you, Isaiah. What is Phoebe? What's 5 plus 5?
10.
10. Thank you, Phoebe. And let's see who else we have. Jesus, what's 6 plus 6?
The author was talking about the wolf. The wolves are endangered by their race.
Do you need some help? All right, let's start. So we're 6 plus 6. So we're going to start with 6 and we're going to count up 6 more. So count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12.
12. What's 6 plus 6?
12.
12. Nice job, Jesus. Thank you. Lisa, can you help me with 2 plus 2?
Yeah.
What's 2 plus 2?
4.
4. More. Thank you, Lisa. Nice job. Kari, I see you just joined us. Hello, Kari. Can you help me with 8 plus 8?
All right. Are you listening to her?
Thinking.
Get your ass up and go get those headphones so you can hear her.
Do you want to count up together, Kari? So
Yeah.
we're going to do 8 plus 8. So we're going to start with 8 and count up 8. So let's start. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16.
16. What's 8 plus 8?
16.
16. Nice job, Kari. Thank you. And let's see. Who have I not called on yet? Oh, no, is Sophia still here? Let's see. I got Sebastian. I don't see her anymore. Phoebe? What's 9 plus 9?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17.
You're really close. I'm going to count up with you, okay? So we're going to start with 9.
18.
What is it?
19. Wait, 18.
18. Very good. Thank you, Phoebe. 18. And then our last one is 7 plus 7. Let's see who gets their hand up the fastest. Oh, my goodness. I saw Ulisa's hand pop up so quick. Ulisa, you want to help me with 7 plus 7?
Yeah.
What's 7 plus 7?
14.
14. Nice job. Okay. 14. Thank you, Ulisa. And the last thing we're going to review is our orders. So who remembers when we put our numbers in order last week? And then we got into line order and we talked about who was first in line and who was middle in the line and who was last in the line. So we're going to put these numbers in order here. So Isaiah, what number comes first out of these numbers? I'm going to come back to you, Isaiah. Genesis, what comes first out of these groups of numbers?
There's 299 double sets.
What number, but let's look at all the numbers we have here. What number should come first out of all these numbers? What comes
1.
first? 1. Very good. Thank you, Genesis. Isaiah, were you able to unmute yourself yet? No? There we go. What number should come second?
2.
2. Nice job, Isaiah. Thank you. Skylat, what number should come third?
The number that should come third is number 3.
3. Nice job. Thank you, Skylat. And Phoebe, what number comes fourth?
Huh?
What number should
4.
come fourth? 4. Very good. Thank you, Phoebe. And Kari, what number comes fifth?
5.
5. Awesome job, Kari. Thank you. Vita, you just joined us. Hello, Vita. What number comes last?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. What number comes last?
Last. 7.
Well, 7 would come at the end, but there's one more number we're missing up here that we need to put in line, but it should come last. What number is that?
That's not 7, 8,
What number is this right here?
6.
6. And does this go first or does it go last?
Last.
Last. Very good. It comes after the 5 and it goes last in that line. Thank you, Vita. And let's practice a little bit more. Hey, Zeus, what color is second in this line?
Second,
Mm-hmm.
red.
Red. Very good, Jesus. Thank you. Sophia, what color is last in this line?
Green.
Green. Awesome job, Sophia. Thank you. Ulisa, what number is, or what color is third?
Orange.
Orange. Awesome job, Ulisa. Thank you. And Skylet, what is first? What color is first?
What's the first color?
The first color is orange.
No.
I mean yellow.
Yellow. Nice job, Skylet. Thank you. And next, we are going to work a little bit with patterns because we We only did that for a few minutes on Friday, so I want to review patterns again. Who can tell me what they remember about what we learned with patterns? Isaiah, was your hand up or are you just yawning? Stretching, I mean.
Potential.
Know about patterns because patterns are like it's like 115 like that.
Oh, nice. So there's a part that repeats, right? There's a group that repeats. Like the one you just said, 115, 115. What part repeats there?
115.
Awesome job. And can we put numbers into patterns?
Yeah.
Can we put colors into patterns?
Yeah.
Can we put shapes into patterns?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? All right. Thank you, Isaiah. So we're going to practice making a couple of patterns again. So let's see. Kari, I see your hands up. Do you want to go ahead and unmute? Which shapes or which colors would you like to use for our pattern?
Triangle and square.
Triangle and square. Okay. So let's use a triangle. And we'll use a square. So I'm going to make a pattern real quick. Oops. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right. So what is our pattern here, Kari?
Triangle, square, square, triangle, square, square.
What would come after the square?
Triangle,
Triangle. Nice job. And what's the part that repeats?
square,
What's the group of shapes that repeats over and over?
triangle and square.
Triangle, square, square. Very good. So it's triangle, square, square. Triangle, square, square. Triangle, square, square. Awesome job. Thank you, Kari. Right. Let's do another one. Sophia, can you see the shapes this time? I know you couldn't see them on Friday. Can you see them now?
Yeah.
Okay. Which color shapes do you want to use?
A trapezoid and triangle and a triangle.
Okay. Trapezoid, triangle, and a triangle. Okay. Let me do this really quick. What is our pattern? Sophia,
What?
what's our pattern?
Trapezoid, triangle, triangle, trapezoid, triangle, triangle.
What would come after the triangle?
Trapezoid?
Nice job. And what's the part that repeats? What's the group that repeats?
Triangle?
Let's listen to it again. Trapezoid, triangle, triangle. Trapezoid, triangle, triangle. What group of shapes repeats over and over?
The triangles?
Trapezoid, triangle, triangle. Very good. Thank you, Sophia.
Yeah.
All right.
Was it even a triangle and a triangle?
Well, it's the whole thing. It's the trapezoid, triangle, triangle. Trapezoid, triangle. All three of them are.
Vita, do you want to unmute yourself? Which shapes would you like to use, or which colors?
Why is it so slow? I'm gonna do it to this. Not the one. What's going on? What do you need help with? What's that? Move that away.
Triangle.
Triangle, and what else?
Square.
Square. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
So let me make a pattern really quick.
I don't know how to make it.
All right. So Vita, what is our pattern? Can you read me our pattern?
Triangle, square. Triangle, square. Triangle, square. Triangle, square.
Very good. So what comes after the square?
Triangle.
Triangle. And what's the part that repeats? What group of shapes repeats?
Squares.
Triangle, square. So remember, the part that repeats is the group that starts over and over. So we have triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square. So what part repeats?
Triangle, square.
Triangle, square. Nice job. Thank you, Vita. Kari, I see your hands up, buddy. What's going on?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Go ahead. All right. So nice job. I think you are all doing really great with those patterns. All right. Now we are going to practice finding one more and one less. So Phoebe, if we wanted to find one more.
No, can I go to the bathroom?
Oh yeah, go ahead. So if we wanted to find one more than a number, would we go to the right or would we go to the left? So when we go to the right, we're going up the line. When we go to the left, we're going down the line. So if we want to find one more, do we go up or down? Jesus?
Up.
Up, very good. So we want to find 67. So here's the 67. What's one more than 67?
It's one more.
70?
No, look at 67. And if you do one more,
68?
good job.
68. Nice job, Jesus. Thank you. 68. Genesis, what's one less than 67? Are we going to the right or to the left?
One less?
One less. Yep.
66.
66. Perfect. So we're going to the left. We're going down one. 66. Nice job, Genesis. Thank you. Now let's look for 92. Okay, so here's the number 92. Yulisa, what's one more than 92? So here's the number 92, and when we want to find one more, we go up the line to the right. So we go this direction. So what's one more?
93.
93. Nice job, Yulisa. Thank you. 93. And Vita, what's one less than 92? So here's 92. What's one less?
I can't see because the unmute button.
Oh, you found it now. Good. What's one less?
One less.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
So here's 92, and we want to find what's one less than 92.
One less. 91.
91. Nice job, Vita. Thank you. You are all doing such an awesome job with this. Sebastian, do you think you can help me with the next one? All right, so the next one we're looking for one more and one less than 45. So what's one more than 45?
46.
46, and what's one less?
44.
44. Nice job, Sebastian. Thank you. Has your bird flown back yet?
No.
He's probably just taking a little joyride. He'll be back soon, hopefully. All right, thank you, Sebastian. Let's see. Skylight, can you help me with the next one? So now we are going to look at the number 59. It's one more than 59.
One after 59. What's after 59?
No, one more.
50,
So one
59.
more, we're going this to the right. We're going up. What's one more?
60.
60. Nice job. And what's one less if we go down one?
Backward.
Or back one, I mean.
Is here? Yeah. What's that one?
18.
Nothing, I did.
50. 58.
58. Nice job, Skylet. Thank you. Isaiah, what about the number 80? Ooh, this one's kind of confusing because we're at the end of the line. What's one more than 80?
81.
81. Nice job. So 81. So when we're looking at the number line and we get to the end of the row, we go back to the left, but we go down and back to the left. So 80, 81. Nice job. And what about one less, Isaiah?
79.
79. Nice job. Thank you, Isaiah. All right, Phoebe. What about the number 17? What's one more than 17?
18.
18. Awesome job. What about one less? If we go back one.
16.
16. Nice job, Phoebe. Thank you. Yes. Oops. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Here, can you unmute yourself again?
You don't have to pause me. Could I pause myself?
Yes,
Like,
ma'am.
could I?
Unmute or mute yourself, you mean? Yes, ma'am. All right. Let's see. Who have I not called on yet? Let's see. Sophia, did I call on you yet? I don't think so. All right, Sophia. Let's look at the number 11. What's one more than 11 if we go up? 12, nice job. And what about one less if we go back one?
Mom, let me say
Here's the 11. Yeah, very good. So here's 11. If we go back one, we go right here to the number 10. Nice job. Thank you, Sophia. Vita, I see your hand was up.
We have caterpillars that's gonna turn into butterflies.
Oh, really? Neat. That's awesome. Thank you for sharing that. All right, let's see. Genesis, do you want to help me with the last one?
I need to go bathroom.
You go bathroom? Okay. Do you want to help me with this one real quick before you go? So next one, the last one's 14. What's one more than 14? If we go up one.
15.
15. And if we go back one, what's one less?
13.
13. Nice job. Thank you, Genesis. All right. So let's go back really quick to our goals. And our goal today was, I will be able to identify one more or one less than a number using the numbers chart. Give me a thumbs up if you think you accomplished that today. You should all be giving me a thumbs up because you all helped me out with that and you did awesome. All right, thank you. So we have about 10 minutes left. So we have time for another quick story because I know last week I missed out on a story twice. So I'm gonna make it up to you. And I did a story this morning and now I'm gonna do another story. Yes, Genesis?
Can we do 2 stories?
If we have time, we could do 2 stories if we don't run out of time. So I'm gonna pull up a story really quick. I wanna get one on the computer so you can all see the pictures.
Why? Why are you doing it in computer now?
So that you can see the pictures a little bit better, because when I try to read it to you and show you the pictures, sometimes it's harder for everybody to see the pictures, I think.
I can see it.
You can see it? Okay, well maybe tomorrow I'll do one like that then. But for today, I'm gonna find a story. Okay.
I can't see your screen yet.
I'm pulling it up really quick, so I'll have it up in just a second. Okay. So just give me 1 second. Okay. Oh,
Miss Sloan,
yes.
I see the recording word by your head.
It says that you're recording. Ooh, I kind of want to read this book because, all right, let me show you. I'm going to share my screen again. Here we go.
What is it?
Okay, I want to read this because I love cats. So I want to learn more about cats.
Why?
I'm going to go ahead and put you back on mute, okay, Genesis? So this is about cats, and it's called Cat Facts. So this book is a nonfiction book because it tells us actual facts about something in real life. And this is going to tell us a little bit about cats. But I'm going to pause really quick because I see Vita has her hand up. Did you have a question?
I got my caterpillars right now.
Oh, you do? All right. Very nice. Wow. Hopefully when they turn into butterflies, you can show us before they fly away.
Yeah, they're gonna kiss me.
Yeah. All right. So this story is about cats. Cats like to jump. Cats like to run. Cats like to stretch. Cats like to sleep. The end. That was a really quick book. So we'll find another one. But give me a thumbs up if you liked that book. I did, because I love cats. All right, let's read Coyote and Rabbit. Can everybody see the pictures? It says Coyote and Rabbit. Who thinks this is going to be a little bit similar to the fox and the goat story that we heard this morning? Who remembers the fox and the goat? Where the fox tricked the goat and he fell into the well, and then the fox got out of the well, but the goat had to stay in the well. So do you think the coyote is going to be similar to the fox, maybe? Do you think he's going to try to trick the rabbit? Maybe, yes, no, maybe, we don't know. Well, let's find out. So, Coyote and the Rabbit. There was a full moon. Rabbit saw Coyote. Coyote stared at Rabbit. Coyote was hungry. "Come here," said Coyote. "I want to eat you." "Why? I don't taste very good," said Rabbit. "But look at that cheese. It's at the bottom of the pond, and it looks tasty." Coyote looked into the pond. He saw a big white circle. "That cheese does look good," said Coyote. "How can I get it?" "All you have to do is drink the water," said the Rabbit. "I can do that," said Coyote. Coyote started to drink. He drank and he drank. "You almost got the cheese," said Rabbit. "Keep drinking." Coyote drank a lot. He could not move, and the rabbit ran away. Oh my goodness. So who was the trickster now in that story? Was it the coyote or was it the rabbit? Vita, who was the trickster?
The rabbit.
The rabbit.
Okay.
And how did he trick the coyote?
To drink the water a lot.
Yeah, so then the coyote was so full that he didn't want to eat the rabbit anymore.
And then he couldn't move.
Yeah, so the rabbit could get away. That was some pretty good. That was a pretty smart rabbit, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we got time for one more little story. These are short stories, so we can read a few of them. So let's look for one more. Let's see. Let's see, what's this story called? This story is called Who is Missing? Give me a thumbs up if you want to listen to this story. Okay, perfect. So, who is missing? 3 friends ran to the lake. We need a rest, said Sam. The friends sat down to rest. Then they all fell asleep. Sam woke up. Oh no, said Sam. 3 friends ran to the lake. Now I see just 2 friends. Pam and Lenny woke up. How many friends do you see? Said Sam. I see 2 friends, said Pam. I see 2 friends, said Lenny. But 3 of us ran to the lake, Sam said. Who is missing? The 3 friends looked into the lake. Now I see 3 friends, Pam said. No one is missing. So what happened in that story when they looked into the lake? What did they see when they looked into the lake? Do you know what this is called right here, Phoebe?
What?
You know what this is called? When
lake?
do you see how they're looking into the lake and they see themselves? Do you know what
Yeah.
that's called? What's that called?
A reflection.
A reflection. Thank you, Phoebe. Nice job. So when they looked, they thought a friend was missing, but when they looked, they saw their reflection and they saw they were all there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put everybody off of mute since we're all done for the day. So, one second, let me figure out how to do that. Unmute, there we go.
Miss Long,
Yes.
why will you read small stories today?
Yeah,
I wanted to show you the pictures a little bit better, but I'll get
I
a
want
long
long one.
A long one. Okay, I'll get a longer one for tomorrow. How about that?
Bye.
Okay. Well, let me stop sharing it. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, Miss
Bye,
Long.
Rita. Bye, Phoebe.
Bye.
Bye, Sophia. Bye, Kari. Bye, Jesus. Bye, Isaiah. Bye, Genesis. Bye, Sebastian. Bye, Sophia.
Bye, Miss Long.
Bye, Sebastian. I hope Kari comes back. Bye, Phoebe. Bye, Skylet. Bye, Genesis. Bye, Sophia.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everybody.
I don't know how to shut it off.
Okay, I'll shut it off then. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.